Welcome to SKU Science. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your historical data and set up your account in SKU Science. Let's get started. First, I'll select the Excel file that contains my historical data. This Excel file contains multiple tabs, so I'll select the one that has the historical data. SKU Science automatically detects the date format used in your file. In this case, it correctly identified my time periods, which are highlighted in green. If I don't want to upload all periods, I can simply uncheck any unwanted ones. The tool is also smart enough to recognize different date formats. There's another video that goes into more detail about how these date formats work. Your file may use different number formats, like commas or dots for thousand separators. SKU Science adjusts to those automatically, but you can review and change it if needed. Next, the system maps your spreadsheet columns to SKU Science's fields. By default, it includes basic ones like part number, location, description, cost, and resale price. If your business needs extra fields, it's easy to add them. For example, I'll add a customer field. Now, I'll also add a family field the same way. These custom fields give you flexibility to analyze your data at the level that matters most to your business. Now I choose the forecasting level. The default is at the part number level, but I can refine it. For instance, by forecasting at the part number plus customer level if I want to track key customers individually. Here's a summary of the data that will be uploaded, including the fields I've mapped and the 2 custom ones I added. My historical data runs up to April 2025. Since I uploaded more than 3 years of data, I can enable automatic KPI calculations for the last 6 periods. This gives me a quick view of forecast accuracy right from the start. Once everything looks good, I click Confirm. The upload begins, and SKU Science starts processing the data. The system runs 7 forecast models for each item, 6 for past periods to calculate KPIs, and 1 for the current forecast. It also runs XYZ and ABC analyses automatically. Now if I head over to the navigator, which was previously empty, you'll see that my items have been successfully uploaded and are ready for analysis. And that's it. You've uploaded your data and configured your account. Thanks for watching.